everybody is equal under the law. So thank you.
Why don't we go ahead and have you present your case plans?
On November 13th, Stephanie was coming home from school to find her mother passed out on the kitchen floor.
School court! School court! School court!
Welcome to School Court TV. I'm your host, Victory Daly.
Farzan Mohammed, visionary and creator of School Court TV. Ambition of this show, to create and develop leadership in our youth through researching facts, developing and presenting those facts effectively in written and verbal form. To quote Mr. Mohammed, to have our youth see any situation from inside the box, outside the box, and around the box. Make things happen. Take leadership seriously. Do this through School Court TV.
On the way there, Officer Jameson pulled him over for speeding. Once he noted that she was passed out in the back seat, he escorted her to the hospital and then gave them a ticket for $275.
We understand that the officer does care for the situation, because instead of giving the ticket at the site, he gave a police escort to the hospital.
In this case, nobody got hurt and nobody died. The only person that could have died or could have gotten hurt was Mom in the back seat, right?
Yes.
So don't you think that's a reasonable excuse or reason to break the limit in this case?
No, Your Honor. Because
Are you heartless?
everyone is equal under the law, Your Honor. Everyone.
Trying to take her license away from her forever. Just giving her a little driver improvement course, right?
Yes, but we do still want Ms. Krieger to pay the ticket of $275, Your Honor.
Is that because you get to get some of that money because you're a lawyer?
No, Your Honor. Because she was driving 95 miles per hour in a 55 mile per hour zone. This is 40 miles over the speed limit. And keep in mind that speeding is noted as soon as you're 10 miles over the speed limit.
We're here today requesting $5 million for damages, costs of attorneys, and negligence from the defendants, Mr. and Mrs. Morrison. We hope that in doing so, we will give Jack a chance to have a somewhat normal life.
Hello, I am Princess Eva Green. I'm the co-counselor for Mr. Jack Barrow. In addition to what my co-counselor states, Judge, I would like to add some additional facts. Ms. Barrow was pregnant in the house with chip paint, which has a direct effect on the unborn child, Mr. Barrow.
A lead paint certificate that is required in Baltimore City?
No, Your Honor, because this was actually in 1989 when my client acquired the property. The rules and regulations were vastly different back then as to what they are right now.
And regardless of whether that was the rules at the time, Mr. Morrison still inherited the problem when he bought the property.
Well, I'd like to present 3 exhibits to the court.
Yes, sir. What's the first document, sir?
Exhibit number 1 is from the U.S. Consumer Product Safety Commission. The property underwent a yearly inspection done by the city. And the city has no records of chipped or peeling paint.
I'm excited. All of our student attorneys today, they have the chance to move on to the championship round in their division. I'm so excited for them because they've worked extremely hard to get here.
The community service program has proved to be extremely effective in helping the students. Thank you.
Okay. All right, thank you. You have anything? Your Honor, the commitment here can be overwhelming, especially for a family with 2 parents who work, for single-parent families, or those who rely on public transportation. Your Honor, we have fair child labor laws in this country for a reason. Defendants have to say now, okay?
Your Honor, since 1975, Peake County School Board has prided itself on requiring more community service hours for high school graduation than any other county in the state of Wisconsin. In 2007, the Peake County School Board decided they wanted to push the envelope farther and be even more recognized.
I'm not against community service. I think that it is a great opportunity to help the community. But, Your Honor, when it's forced under the circumstances that in order to graduate you need 100 hours of it in middle school, Your Honor, that's going a little too far.
All rise.
Weren't there some excellent arguments? Now you really understand what it takes to be on School Court TV. If you're interested, log on to our website, www.schoolcourt.org, because we want you in our next set of episodes.